So we're going to pick up and continue on with the session player here. And this time I'm going to fill in a part of the song where we have chord changes that happen every half beat. So on beat 1 and beat 3 of the same bar or measure. So before we talked about, when you're putting in chords, if you just hit the tab key, it will let you drop a chord at the next bar. So every time you hit tab, it moves you over to the next bar and gives you the ability to put in a new chord. But what do you do when you put in chords in on 1 and 3, for example? I'm going to show you how I tackle that in this particular tutorial, and let's get into it. So I'll play you the section of song. So there we have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a region from somewhere else in the song here. I only need 4 bars for this section.
126 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
So let's grab one of these short regions.
29 bars, 25 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
There we go. Grab that one that's 4 bars long from 25 to 29.
Copy.
And we'll just move back to 37.
20, 29, 30, 31 bar, 30, 34 bars, 1 beat, 35, 36 bar, 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
And we'll just go ahead and paste that region there. And you see right off the bat, you see that doesn't make any sense tonally. So now let's go ahead and put our chords in. We got our
38, 37 bars, 1 beat, 1
play head at bar 37. So
inspector, group, control bar, toolbar.
Let's go over to the chord track. And actually, I don't even think we need to go over to the chord track to be
tracks, session player, group, tracks, group, intro, tracks, tracks, header, group, tracks, contents, out of tracks, group.
To be honest with you, I bet if I hit the number 1 here, it will let me start putting in chords.
38, 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
At bar 37. So it's the same chord progression from earlier. We're going to be doing E flat, B flat / D, C minor, and A flat. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit my key command to create a new chord.
E music in scroll area. 9 items. Chord.
And because the key of my song is E flat, it's automatically giving me an E flat major by default. I'm just going to hit tab, and that's obviously going to let me drop a chord at the next bar. And that's going to be the B flat / D.
D.
And
B music flat sign / D.
Selected. All right, hit tab.
E music flat sign.
Going to put in the C
M.
minor.
CM. Selected.
Hit tab, and we'll just do
selection
A
B.
flat.
Up. Selected.
Return.
1 selected.
And that should be it. So I'm just going to hit escape.
Tracks contents.
Because I got those 4 chords in there now.
Tracks contents. Group.
And let's go back over to the
tracks header. Tracks time ruler. Timeline.
Tracks time ruler area here. Interact with this.
Time selected button.
And via left.
Chord track contains chords and chord groups that's in chord track. Contains
and now we're going to have to find a chord group that starts at bar 37. So I'm just going to via left to right.
Chords E music flat sign. Chords E music flat sign. Chords E music flat sign.
And just do control home.
25 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
That's 25.
Chords E music flat sign. E music flat 29 bars 1 beat 1 tick. Chords E music flat 37 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
37. So
chords E music flat sign. B music flat sign / D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout item.
All right, there we go. So that's the group we're looking for. So now I'm going to ungroup this. So at the moment, my key command to do that is Shift 2.
Chord E music flat sign. Layout item.
And if you see now I have these individual chords here.
Chord E music flat sign / D. Chord CM. Layout item. Chord A music flat sign. Layout item.
All right. And so what I want to do.
Chord CM. Chord B music. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item.
Just went back to E flat. If I do control end.
38 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Tells me ends at bar 38.
37 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Starts at bar 37, right? So I'm just going to move to bar 37 beat 3.
37 bars 2 beats. 37 bars 3 beats 1 tick.
There we go. And I'm going to do command left bracket to trim the chord to end there. And now if I move over.
Chord B music flat sign / D. Layout item.
That B / D, B flat / D is selected. Now remember, my playhead is still at bar 37 beat 3. So now if I hit the semicolon, it will just move that chord to now start there. And so if I do control end.
38 bars 3 beats 1 tick.
See, the chord ends at 38 bars 3 beats, and control home.
37 bars 3 beats 1 tick.
All right. So this chord starts at bar 37 beat 3 and ends at bar 38 beat 3. But we only want this chord to also be 2 beats or half a bar. So let's move to bar 38.
38 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
And we're just going to command right bracket to trim that chord to end at bar 38. So now I'm going to VO right over to that C minor chord.
Chord CM, layout item.
Yep. And now if I hit the semicolon, it will move that C minor chord over to start at bar 38, which is where my playhead was. So Control N.
39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Control Home.
38 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
That C minor chord now starts at bar 38 and ends at bar 39. Once again, we only need this to be half a bar. So we want to go to 38 bar 38 beat 3.
38 bars, 2 beats, 1 tick. 38 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick.
And if I do Command right bracket, I just trimmed that chord to end at bar 38 beat 3. Now I'm going to VO right.
Chord A music flat sign, layout item.
That's the A flat chord. So now if I hit the semicolon, it will just move the A flat chord to where the playhead is, which is at bar 38 beat 3. All right. So now if I do Control N.
43 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick.
And
38 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick.
Control Home. See, it starts at bar 38 beat 3, but it ends
43 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick.
at bar 43 for some reason.
38 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick.
So let's go to bar 38 beat 3, and we'll just go to bar 39.
39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
And trim that chord to end at bar 39.
38 bars, 3 beats, 39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
All right, so now we basically have the 4 chords that we needed for that first section. So we'll go back to E flat.
Chord CM, layout, chord B music flat sign, chord E music flat sign. 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Go back to bar 37. See, we got the first half of that done. Now, this basically repeats, except for the fact that the last chord, the C minor, is going to be held and we don't use the A flat, right? So I can put these chords in again, but what I can do is also just copy these and paste them. So if I do, I'm going to set my left locator here at bar 37, which is where my playhead is.
37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Yep. So Command Option left bracket.
Set left locator by playhead.
And now I'm going to go to bar 39.
38 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick. 39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
And set my right locator there.
Set right locator by playhead.
And I have the number 4 mapped to select all chords in cycle range or all chord between the locators. So I'm going to press 4 and then Command C to copy. And make sure my playhead.
40 bars, 39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Yep, playhead's at bar 39. Command V to paste.
Paste.
And so now.
Chord B music flat sign / D. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item. 37 bars, 37 bars, 1 beat. Chord B music. Chord CM. Layout item. Chord A music flat sign. Layout item. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item.
There we go. So if I do Control Home.
39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Say I set 39.
40 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
But it goes from 39 to
40 bars, 1 beat, 1
40.
tick. Chord Z music flat sign. B music. 61 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick. 53 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
All right, so let's undo that.
Undo.
Because that is, well, it copied and pasted the chords that didn't keep their lengths, right? So we're not going to.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign. Chord A music flat sign. Layout item.
We're not going to keep those. So
39 bars, 38 bars, 3
what
beats.
I'm going to do is I still have my locators here, right? From 37 to 39. So I'm going to group these and then copy the group because that seems to keep the lengths of each of these chords, right? So I'm going to press the number 4 and then press the number 2 because 4 selects all the chords between the locators and 2 groups. So now if I VO left.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign. FM. C.
I'm doing VO right now.
21 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Because I'm going back through because it put me all the way at the beginning. So now if I continue to VO right.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music. Chord Z music flat sign. 29 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick. Chord Z music flat sign. 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
There we go. 37 to
39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
39.
37 bars, 1 beat.
All right. So now I'm going to copy that group.
Copy.
Go to bar 39.
39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
And paste.
Paste.
And so now I have another group.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign / D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout item.
And let's see where this.
39 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick. 41 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
So
39 bars, 1
starts
beat.
at 39, ends at 43, right? But as I said, this section, I'm going to play this. So you see that C minor needs to be held. So I'm going to ungroup these. So Shift 2 ungroups them. And
Chord B music flat sign / D. Chord CM. Layout. Chord A music flat sign. Layout
I'm
item.
going to delete that A flat. From now that I VO right over to A flat, if I just hit the backspace or delete key, gets rid of it.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat. Chord Z music flat sign. B mute chord CM. Layout item.
There we go. That's the C minor chord. And if I do control home,
40 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
see, it starts at 40.
40 bars 3 beats 1 tick.
Ends at bar 40.
40 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Bar 40 beat 3. All right, so I'm back at the beginning, bar 40 here. I just did control home again to go back to bar 40. And if I play this chord, see, I need to just extend that chord to end out at bar 41. So I'm just going to move my playhead to bar 41
bars 1 beat 1 tick.
And command right bracket. And now
40 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Control home. You see the chord starts at bar 40.
41 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
It ends at bar 41.
40 bars 1 beat 1.
Now if I play this,
tick.
And it still actually kept the same thing, but now it matches the region there. So that is how I would set that up to do that. Now, what I'm gonna do is I have another part further in the song where this section is played 4 times instead of 2 times. So I'm gonna need 3 times where it's E flat, B flat, C minor, A flat, and then on the 4th time is where it's just gonna be E flat, B flat, C minor, and the C minor will be held, right? So it's going to be easier to keep these two separated right now and copy them over there like that, and then group them together as one after that. So I'm going to go ahead and group this chord right here.
Chord Z music, chord CM, layout item. Chord B music, chord E music flat sign, layout
This
item.
E flat should be at bar 39, control home.
39 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Yep. Let's set our right locator there.
Set left locator by playhead.
And let's go to bar
41 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
41 and set a right locator.
Set right locator by playhead.
I'm sorry, I set my left locator at bar 39 and my right locator at bar 41. All right, so I'm just gonna do select all chords in cycle range again, and then group. So I just hit those 2 key commands, which in this case was the number 4 and then the number 2.
Chord Z music flat sign, B music flat sign /D, CM, layout item.
So you see it's just the 3 of them, and if I do control N, control home.
39 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Control N.
41 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
There we go. And via left.
Chord Z music flat sign. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout item.
All right. So control home.
37 bars 1 beat 1 tick. 39 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
39. All right. So let's copy that chord group.
Copy.
And I believe I need to go out to bar 86.
40 bar 40 40 40 40 40 47 48 40 50 51 50 50 60 60 60 60 60 68 69 70 bars 76 77 79 80 bars 1 beat 80 80 80 80 80 88 bars 1 89 90 bars 91 92 93 bars 94 99 80 88 bars 87 86 85 bars 86 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
And I probably could have just used the go to get out here, or shift period to get out here a little bit faster. So you see this is the same section, it's just now it plays 4 times instead of 2. And I think I might have the wrong bass track unmuted or something at the moment. I need to sort out the bass on this. But anyway, so we're at bar 86 where we're gonna paste the chord group. So I'm gonna paste this chord group here. Paste. And now if I VO right.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout item.
And you see if I do control N.
86 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Control home.
88 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
So right there we have that group there. And now we're gonna want that a second time.
Paste.
And a 3rd time, so I'll just paste it again. So now
Chord Z music flat sign. 90 bars 1 beat 1 tick. 92 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Goes from 90 to 92. And if I play this, see, 92 is the last one. So I'm gonna go grab that other one that goes from 39 to 41 that ends on the C minor instead of A flat, and then we're gonna paste it here at 92. So I'm gonna leave my playhead here
92 bars 1 beat 1
at 92. I'm just gonna VO left.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout item. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. Layout item.
That's most likely it, because you see ends on the C minor, E flat, B flat /D, CM. So I'm gonna assume that's it. Let's grab this Command C to copy.
Copy.
And because my playhead is still at bar 92, I can just go ahead and hit Command V
Paste.
to paste. So once I VO right,
Chord Z
I'm
music flat
actually
sign.
just going to hit VO end because
Chord Z music flat.
it should be the end of it.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. Layout
All
item.
right. So if I do Control end, let's do Control Home.
92 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Control
94 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
end. So you see now I have that section all laid out. So let's
Chord Z
go
music flat
back to
sign.
the first one.
86 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Bar 86. So now I'm just going to hit the right arrow.
17 bars 1 beat
and
9 bars 1 beat 1 tick. 17 bar 9 bars 1 beat.
Let's copy this region. And let's jump
7 20
out
30
to
40 40 56 7 81 89 bars 97 bars 1 89 bars 88 80 86 bars 1 85 86 bars 1.
We don't have a region here yet. So we got chords in here. But if you notice when I played it, you didn't hear any piano because I don't have a region here. Now if I paste this region here,
Paste.
it will automatically follow
86 bars 1 beat 1
the chord track. All right, and then we have it. So now let's say I want to keep this as one group instead of having like 4 individual groups here, right? So I'm going to ungroup all of these.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /88 bars 1 86 bars 1 beat.
So Shift 2 to ungroup that.
Chord B music flat sign /D. 87 86 bars 3 beats 1 tick. Chord CM layout item. Chord A music flat. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A
So
music.
that's our next group. Shift 2 to ungroup that.
Chord B music flat sign. Chord CM layout. Chord A music flat sign. Layout item.
So you see these are individual chords because I just ungrouped
Chord Z
them.
music flat sign.
And then we're going to do Shift 2, ungroup
Chord B
that.
music flat sign. Chord CM layout. Chord A music flat. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM layout. Chord Z music flat
And I'm
sign.
going to ungroup this one. And like I said,
B music flat sign /D.
these key commands may possibly change once I have a chance to really go through the key commands file and find better key commands for them. So it's better that you understand what I'm doing as opposed to just memorizing what key commands I'm pressing. So I just went through and ungrouped those different tracks. Now I want to keep them, I'm going to put them back together as one group. So I'm going to go find the first one.
Chord B music
Actually,
flat sign
let me
/.
find the last one
Chord CM.
here.
Chord CM layout. 94 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Bar 94. So I'm just going to do Command Option right bracket.
Set right locator by playhead.
Set my right locator there, and let's go back.
Chord B music flat sign /D. Layout item. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item. Chord A music flat sign. Chord CM. Chord B music flat. Chord E music flat sign. Chord A music flat sign. Layout item. Chord CM. Chord B music. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item.
All right. So I went back until I heard a group of chords, and once I hit a group of chords, I knew I went back too far. So then I VO right, and I'm back to where it only just said
Chord E music flat sign. Layout item.
E flat, right? So that means that's probably at bar 86 to Control Home.
86 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Yep, that's bar 86. So I'm going to set my left locator there.
Set left locator by playhead.
And same deal, we're going to select all the chords between the cycle range, and then we're going to group them together. So I just hit those 2 key commands.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A music flat sign. E music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM.
So
music.
you see now this is one big group, and if I do Control N
94 bars 1 beat 1 tick. 86 bars 1 beat
and
1 tick.
Control Home, I have that one big group of those chords there for that. So that's how we can go ahead and set up chords and group them and stuff like that. And if I want to do the same thing, because remember, I have the other part that's like this where it's only 2 bars instead of 4 bars as 2 separate chord groups. I can go back there and do the same thing again. So let's find one of those groups.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. Layout item.
All right, that's the one most likely. Let's see.
39 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Yep, 39
41 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
to 41. So let's ungroup that.
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout
Let's
item.
see if this is the one from 37 to 39.
37 bars 1 beat 1 tick. 39 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
Yep. And actually, I'm going to go back over
Chord E music
here.
flat sign. Chord B music flat. Chord CM. Layout item. 41 bars 1 beat 1 tick.
That ends at bar 41. I'm going to set my right locator
Set right locator by
there.
playhead.
And then via left.
Chord B music flat sign /D. Layout item. Chord E music flat sign. Layout item.
And
Chord Z music flat sign. B music flat sign /D. CM. A music flat sign. Layout item.
that's the group.
37 bars 1 beat 1
Yep,
tick.
starts at bar 37. So let's hit the key command to ungroup that. Shift 2 in this particular instance. And now
Chord B music flat, chord E music flat sign.
I'm going to set my left locator here
Set
at
left
bar
locator by
37. And now I'm just going to hit the key command to group these chords or back into one group. So now
Chord E music flat sign, layout item. Chord B music flat sign /D, layout item. Chord E music flat sign, layout
that
item.
did not work for some reason.
37 bars, 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick. Set left locator by playhead. Right locator, checked. 42 bars, 41 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick. Left locator, checked. 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
So let's try grouping these again.
Chord E music flat sign, layout item.
All right, for some reason, it's not grouping these.
Chord B music flat sign /D.
Oh,
Chord E music flat
I know
sign,
why. I
layout
forgot
item.
to select the chords between the locator.
Apple, menu, log, edit, undo, ungroup chords, command C. Zulu,
Yep.
close.
So it
Menu.
didn't do
Chord E.
anything. I
Music
just
flat sign.
checked to make sure it didn't group anything. And you see the last thing it said was ungroup chords for the undo option. I just wanted to see what the undo option was going to give me, and it said ungroup chords. So it didn't do anything. So I just forgot to select these chords.
Chord E music flat sign, layout item.
So I'm going to select all the chords between the locators, or select all chords between cycle range, and then group them.
Chord E music flat sign, B music flat sign /D, CM, A music flat sign, E music flat sign, B music flat sign /D, CM, layout item.
And grouping them like this makes it really easy for when you want to use the parts for another part of the song. It's easy enough to just copy a region and then copy the chord group, and think of it that way. And then you can always ungroup these things and regroup them into smaller groups or bigger groups, depending on what you're doing. So it's an interesting workflow. So yeah, there's one other thing I've been meaning to fix. If I go back
Chords E music flat sign, E music flat sign,
here,
A music flat.
and if I do control home,
29 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
it starts at 29
36 bars, 4 beats, 1 tick.
and ends at 36 beat 4. That chord really should end at bar 37. So I'm just going to ungroup these and go fix the ending of that
Chord E
last
music flat sign,
chord.
layout item. Chord A music flat sign add 9. Layout item. Chord E music flat sign, layout item. Chord A music flat sign add 9. Layout item. Chord E music flat sign, B music flat sign. Chord A music flat sign add 9. Layout item.
Yep, so I'm guessing this is it.
36 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick. 36 bars, 4
Yep,
beats, 1.
so let's move over
37 bars, 1.
to bar 37, command right bracket, control home.
36 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick. 37 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Yeah, all right, there we go. Got that fixed. So now I just need to regroup these. So I'm going to set my right locator to be
37 bars, 1.
at bar 37.
Set right locator by
and
playhead. 32 bars, 30 bars, 29 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
set my left locator to be at bar
Set left locator by playhead.
29. Select all chords in cycle range and group.
Chords E music flat, Chords E music flat, Chords E
And
music
you
flat.
see that kind of just took me back to the beginning again.
Chords E music flat sign, chord, an editable chord or chord group that session players can follow.
Let's see.
37 bars, 1 beat, 29 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Yeah, so now it goes from 29
37 bars, 1 beat, 1.
to 37. And I'm going to
Chords
fix
E music flat sign, E music flat sign,
these
A
as
music
well.
flat sign match 7,
Oops.
A music
because this is
9 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
bar 9,
16 bars, 4 beats, 1 tick.
16 beat 4. So let's go ahead and ungroup those. And then
Chord A music flat sign match 7. Chord A music flat sign add 9. Chords E music flat sign add 9. Layout
there we
item.
go.
16 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick. 16 bars, 4 beats, 1 tick.
Yeah, so let's move our playhead to
17 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
bar 17, command right bracket to set the ending at the playhead.
16 bars, 3 beats, 1 tick. 17 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
And there you see we have it. We have that chord now ending at bar 17. I'm going to set my right locator here at bar 17.
Set right locator by playhead.
Command option left bracket and go back to bar 9.
6, 4, 12, 11, 10, 9 bars, 1 beat, 1 tick.
Set my left locator there.
Set left locator by playhead.
And let's select all the chords in cycle range and group them.
Chords E music flat sign, E music flat sign, A music flat sign match 7.
And
A
you
music
see-
flat sign add 9.
oops.
A music
You see we have those grouped
17 bars, 9 bars, 1 beat,
again.
1.
Now,